What are some alternatives for VPN? Mike Webster says, use for what? VPNs are virtual private networks. They provide secure connections to private networks over public networks. The most common use is remote workers connecting remotely to office LANs via the internet. If that is what you are doing, then VPN is the best solution. VPNs are also used by some users of sites like Netflix to get around geographic restrictions. When they connect to Netflix via a VPN, Netflix thinks the person is physically located in whatever country, region the private network the person connected to via the VPN is located in. Ben Ascender says, all the providers I can think of the top of my head are NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Private Internet Access, Surfshark, TunnelBear. Would recommend checking all of them out. You will be able to find one that works for you. Things to look into when choosing a VPN are logging policy. Where the VPN company resides in, make sure it's not in one of the 14 IS countries. Servers numbers, and of course price. Other than the above-mentioned criteria, all of the VPNs provide pretty much the same features. Alice Matt says, you can try using proxies, but they really limit your internet speed. I don't see a reason why you would look for alternatives to VPNs. They are easy to use, they are not that expensive, if you choose well they will ensure the highest security and anonymity for you online. It is the easiest way to bypass geo-restrictions on streaming platforms. I could go on, but the point is that there are not many alternatives that could be as easy to use and perform as well. But it would be interesting to hear, why do you have doubts about VPNs, and why are you looking for alternatives? Thanks for watching our video on, what are some alternatives for VPN?